Straight through.
Oh, yeah, that felt good, didn't it?
That was a good punch, though.
Some of the kick we just did, where you're stepping back, and kick, side kick, spread your legs, and then kick. All right, wait a minute. Let me get this Kick the board. I think you can break this, Joseph. Put your hands up. Yeah, because it's got to
break it.
Spread your legs a little bit. Now listen to me. You're not hitting the board. You're going to hit my stomach. Not my fingers. Hit it hard. Come on. Now come on. Now hit it all the way through. Push it. Yeah, just like that. You got it. Just push it. One more time. Real hard. Push it. Push it. One more time. Hit my hand. All right. Good try. You got look. Hey, you're this close to breaking that board because you got a good kick. You're just